else eat akara on Sunday morning? Yes, I do. There is just something about akara and Sunday that feels so right. Welcome back to Spice and Heritage. Today, I will be showing you how I make my akara. Soft and fluffy inside, but crispy outside. Using milk and egg. I started with peeling and cleaning my beans. Add onion, pepper, and water. Use my Niger blender, blend until soft. Next, I mix thoroughly with my hand blender. Add egg, milk, and salt. Whisk thoroughly. This gives the akara that soft and hairy textures. Once the oil is hot, I scoop the batter in and let it fry slowly on a low heat. You will know it's ready when the outside is crispy and the inside soft and the inside stays soft. This is my kind of Sunday breakfast. Simple, comforting, and made with love. If you love akara like I do, let me know in the comments. Like, share, and save. And follow Spice and Heritage for more homemade recipes. Bye and see you next time.